Hello friends, I have changed the name of channel Netaji Tally Education Center to Netaji Computer Education. So I request the viewers to cooperate from now on. Okay friends, from today onwards my channel name is Netaji Computer Education. Okay friends, let's start the topic. Today's topic is how to map and import sales transaction from Excel sheet to Tally Prime. So regarding this, we will discuss now. So in my previous video, I have already explained how to map and import purchase transactions. But today I am going to explain you sales transaction. Okay. So I will change the company, Rakesh Trading Company. So press Alt O, select Manage, select Mapping Templates, select Transaction Create. Okay. Specify folder path. Go to select from drive. My folder is in D drive. I will select D drive. My folder name is Excel Mapping Templates. My file name is Accounting Master. Okay. So here you have to select sales transaction sheet name. See, these are all ledger sheet names. You are already watched my video in previous regarding this. Okay. So I will select sales transactions. So give mapping file name. Sales transactions. Mapping. Select accounting voucher, payment receipt, sales, purchase, this one. So in left hand side, tally field headings. In right hand side, Excel column headings. Okay. So now select voucher type name. Select voucher type name. Voucher date. So voucher date. These are all Excel column headings. See here. Sales transaction. Sorry. This is the sales transaction. So here voucher date, voucher type name, voucher number, reference number, bill type of reference, all the headings what you see in here. Okay. So voucher date, select voucher date. Next voucher number, select voucher number. Select reference number, select reference number. So change mode, select change mode. Change mode means as voucher or item invoice or accounting invoice. Okay, you have to specify here. So change mode, change mode. Now you select another general information: buyer, supplier, address, country, state, GSTIN, PIN code, etc. Okay. So type buyer, supplier, address. So select buyer, supplier, address. Next buyer, supplier, state. Buyer, supplier, state. Next buyer, supplier, PIN code. PIN code. Next buyer, supplier, country. Buyer, supplier, country. So next buyer, supplier, GST type, GST registration type. GST registration type. Next buyer, supplier, GSTIN. So select GSTIN. Next buyer, supplier, place. Friends, some options are hidden here. So you do one tricks. Backspace, press backspace, go to top. See here, select show more, press enter and select expand all. Now you type buyer, supplier, place of supply. Now it will appear, place of supplier. Finish. Okay. Now you select top ledger. So which is top ledger? You are already well known how sales voucher is there. In sales voucher, first point, voucher number, voucher date, reference number, reference date, party account name. Second one, sales ledger. Third one, item name, quantity, rate, amount. Next one, input CGST. Next one, input SGST. So this is the order of the sales and purchase invoice. So in top ledger, first you have to select party ledger. Okay. Select ledger name. So here, customer name. Select customer name. So ledger amount, that is invoice amount. Here, invoice amount. So total amount including GST, that amount goes to party account. So that's why you have to select invoice amount. Ledger amount CRDR. Specify fixed field value. You select that option and here party ledger is debit. Select DR. Next, press end of list. Bottom ledger. In bottom ledger, sales ledger. Select ledger name. Specify fixed field value. So earlier what you mapped, all the ledgers appeared in the right hand side. You select sales at 18%. Sales at 18%. So ledger amount, sales amount. Here, sales amount. Ledger amount CRDR, select specify fixed field value, select credited. So sales entry goes to credit. Okay. So now in invoice, in sales invoice, cursor will move to the stock item field. So that's why now you select items. Item name. Select item name. Billed quantity. Select billed quantity. Item rate. Item rate. Next, item amount. Item amount. Item amount. Okay. So now finish. So next ledger. Output CGST, output SGST. So cursor is in, still is in stock item field. So press one more enter by selecting end of list. Now select bottom ledger, ledger name, select specify fixed value, select output CGST, output CGST. So ledger amount, CGST amount, CR, ledger amount CRDR, select specify fixed field value, select credit. Output CGST goes to credit entry. Okay. Press select end of list, press enter, select bottom ledger, select ledger name, select specify fixed field value. So here you have to select output SGST. Ledger amount, that is SGST amount. Ledger amount CRDR, Go to specify fixed value, select CR. Okay. So both tax ledger as over. So now select bill allocation detail. Type bill type of reference. So here also bill type of reference. Sorry, bill type of reference. Next bill name. Bill name. Bill amount. Bill amount. Bill amount CRDR. Bill amount CRDR. Okay. So each and every information mapped finish and apply. Save it. Okay. So now move to import. Press Alt O. Select transaction. Worksheet name sales transaction. Mapping file name sales transaction mapping. See, 60 entries are there. Click on import or press I. Just wait. It will prepare to import. 14% has finished. Just wait. Just wait. Why happen like this? Because lot of entries are there. 1 month entries are there. Import completed successfully. Check it once. Display daybook. Press F4 to select voucher type. Sales. Alt F2. 1/4. Change the period. 30th April. See, all the 60 entries are here only. Okay. So check it. See, all the information mapped properly. Here. So 18 items are there. So output CGST, output SGST. See, bill allocation detail. So all the details mapped properly. Okay, friends, you got it? How to map and import sales transaction from Excel sheet to Tally Prime. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video.